Here we have the first official look of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim, the thinnest Galaxy yet, packed with power. Samsung is set to unveil its three main Galaxy S25 variants. The spotlight is now on the surprise showstopper, the Galaxy S25 Slim. Leaks from the ever-reliable Steve Hemmer-Stauffer and Smart Pricks have given us an early look at this sleek marvel. While Samsung's flagship phones are already known for their slim profiles, the S25 Slim takes it to another level. With a design that's expected to be up to 1.2 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S24's 7.6 millimeters frame, this device is redefining compact elegance. For perspective, this is not about matching the Ultra's bulky powerhouse, but delivering a feather-light yet functional flagship. But the S25 Slim isn't just about looks. Under its ultra-slim hood, it's powered by the same cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chip as the rest of the S25 lineup. Its impressive camera system boasts a 200-megapixel primary lens paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3.5x optical zoom, ensuring breathtaking photography in every shot. What's more, despite its compact design, rumors suggest a robust battery capacity of 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. Slim, powerful, and enduring, the Galaxy S25 Slim is shaping up to be the perfect choice for fans of lightweight devices with flagship capabilities. Are you ready to experience power in its slimmest form? Following the release of numerous official press renders for the Galaxy S25 series, we now have a glimpse of the promotional images Samsung plans to use in its marketing campaign. These visuals showcase the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in their striking silver and blue variants, which we think looks stunning. The blue Galaxy S25, or possibly the Plus model, stands out as particularly eye-catching. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't featured as prominently, the glimpses we do get are impressive. The S Pen is also shown, though these images don't confirm whether the rumors about the stylus losing its Bluetooth functionality are true. Earlier leaks suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be available in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will come in ice blue, mint navy, and silver shadow. Additionally, Samsung's website will offer exclusive color options for all three models. Exciting details have emerged about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, revealing cutting-edge upgrades. The upcoming flagship devices will feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, faster LPDDR5X RAM, and a more reliable FastPrint HDI motherboard. However, there is some disappointment for Korean suppliers as their involvement in key components has been reduced. According to ET News, Qualcomm will provide Samsung with the TSMC-made Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy to power the entire Galaxy S25 lineup globally. Meanwhile, Micron has been selected as the primary supplier for LPDDR5X RAM, replacing Samsung's in-house memory division due to overheating issues in the updated 12nm manufacturing process. For the motherboard, FastPrint will supply high-density interconnect HDI boards for the initial production run, estimated at 10 million units. This marks a shift from the Galaxy S24 series, where Samsung used a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chips, Snapdragon for the S24 Ultra and Exynos 2400 for the standard and Plus models in most regions. It's finally official. Yesterday, we came across over 36 leaked images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25. Today, renowned leaker Evan Blass has unveiled another set of official renders that highlight Samsung's upcoming flagship trio in stunning new angles. These fresh Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra renders don't deviate much from what we've seen before. However, they do offer a closer look at the devices from multiple perspectives in a single frame, giving us a better sense of their overall aesthetics. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes center stage with its elegant curves, introduced on a flat frame design. Samsung has moved away from the Note series' iconic boxy shape, opting for a sleeker and more refined look. Additionally, the Ultra features thickened camera rings with a jewel-layer design, adding an extra dimension to its rear panel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus stand out in their potential signature colors, shown in unique poses. Both models stay true to Samsung's classic design philosophy, boasting slimmer bezels and flatter frames that further elevate their sophisticated appeal. Is Samsung about to redefine slimness in smartphones? Recent rumors hint at the tech giant working on a brand new Galaxy S25 variant designed to turn heads, the Galaxy S25 Slim, said to be unveiled alongside the S25 Trio at the next Unpacked event. This sleek new contender could potentially become a game-changer in Samsung's lineup. But will the Galaxy S25 Slim make its debut alongside the S25 Base, Plus, and Ultra models, or is it destined for a separate announcement? For now, one mystery remains unsolved. Just how slim will it be to live up to its name? The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus already boast impressively thin designs at 7.6mm and 7.7mm, respectively. But imagine if Samsung pushes the boundaries even further. Could the Galaxy S25 Slim set a new record as the slimmest Samsung smartphone yet? The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition leads the pack with an astonishing 4.9mm profile when unfolded. Even the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures an ultra-thin 5.6mm when opened. However, comparing foldables to slab phones is hardly fair. Android headline is back with 75 official Samsung Galaxy S25 Series images. The launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Series is just around the corner, and we've got an exciting new exclusive leak to share. We've obtained 75 official renders showcasing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Series in all its glory. Each of the three models is presented in 4 distinct color options, with images captured from various angles. This leak follows our initial reveal of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra designs back in September of last year. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are depicted in the ice blue, mint, navy, silver shadow. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, comes with a slightly different color palette, shown in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, titanium white silver. A few days ago, Samsung announced the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where it plans to unveil the Galaxy S25 series. In addition to the usual lineup, including the Vanilla, Plus, and Ultra models, leaks and rumors hint at the debut of a fourth device, the Galaxy S25 Slim. The company's teaser for the event has added weight to these speculations. However, details about the device remain scarce. A recent development sheds some light on the Galaxy S25 Slim. A Samsung smartphone bearing the model number SMS937U, believed to be S25 Slim, has surfaced on Geekbench. According to the listing, the device will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, similar to the other models in the series. It also indicates that the phone will come with 12 gigs of RAM as one of its configurations and will run Android 15, likely paired with One UI 7.0. Samsung's next big move, Galaxy S25 Ultra, promises game-changing video quality. While leaks have already given us insights into their design, display, cameras, processors, memory configurations, and batteries, fresh claims suggest that Samsung has more surprises up its sleeve. A step ahead in low-light video performance, according to a renowned tipster from China, Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to deliver improved video quality in low-light conditions. While the tipster didn't explicitly compare it to a specific model, it's safe to assume that they're referring to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The secret to this leap forward? The tipster hints that the enhanced performance hinges on the processor's capabilities. This likely points to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, rumored to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its edge over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Ice Universe also emphasizes that these improvements won't extend to older models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If the claims hold true, this means the Galaxy S25 Ultra could set a new standard for video quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. everything we know so far. Are you ready for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Leaks are painting an exciting picture of Samsung's upcoming flagship, set to launch on January 22. With upgrades in design, charging, and performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. Here's everything you need to know. A lighter design and faster wireless charging. One of the standout upgrades is its lighter build, making the S25 Ultra more comfortable to handle. With the real game changer, 25-watt wireless charging powered by K2 technology. Tipster Roland Quant confirms this leap from the previously rumored 15-watt wireless charging. Samsung is also expected to release a Qi 2 compatible first-party case alongside the Galaxy S25 Series, ensuring users can maximize these features right out of the box. Display and performance highlights. Prepare for a visual treat with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display featuring 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus support peak brightness up to 2,600 nits, though some reports suggest 3,000 nits, so stay tuned. When it comes to power, the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't hold back. It's rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, promising lightning-fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. The S25 Ultra will offer versatile configurations to meet different needs. 12 gigs RAM plus 256 gigs storage. 16 gigs RAM plus 512 gigs storage. 16 gigs RAM plus 1 TB storage. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.